Why do teachers never let you go to the bathroom? Like I'm about to have pee everywhere on the floor, and they always think I'm kidding like, bro, do you seriously want me to release myself on your floor? There's about to be a whole puddle in your class, you think I'm kidding. And don't even get me started when they always say wait until he comes back. Like, I don't want to talk, bro, I want to go to the toilet. Or they would say, why didn't you go to recess? Why didn't you go lunch? I'm sorry, I didn't set my bladder schedule today. Like, are you serious right now? And sometimes they would tell me to go in 5 minutes, I would come back, and they would tell me to wait. I would keep coming back, and I never got to go to the bathroom. Like, I don't think teachers understand that when we need to go to the bathroom, we need to go to the bathroom. They think if we go to the bathroom, we're gonna have a whole fiesta in there. And when they finally let me go to the bathroom after like 3 hours, I come back and they said, why did you go to the toilet when they literally said that I could go? At this point, I don't believe that teachers are human. But anyways, that is all that I'm going to be telling you today, and don't worry, I will be making more videos like this. Bye.